and they all agreed that Tidmouth Sheds was the best place to be.